Okay, what we are looking at this class is the where clause condition. So the where clause condition is used to filter records. It's used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. So the where clause condition also work with operators. To work with operators such as less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, between, like, and in operator, etc. So the pair clause conditions works hand in hand with the operators. To work hand in hand with the operators. So have two ways to make use of the where clause condition. The first one is the one you're asked to select based on the colors. So you have the first syntax, column 1, column 2 from table name, where condition. The second formula we have select asterisk from table name, where condition. On my initial videos, I've explained the two ways to make use of select. Telling us that using the first select there, which is column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on, depending on the question. If the question um, asks to return specific columns or specified columns, you can pull out those columns. If the question now said you should bring out all the records from the table, make sure you're making use of the asterisk. So those are the two ways of using the select statement. So what we added in the addition is the where condition. So I've said that the where condition works with what? With operators. We have the less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than equal to, not less than equal to, between, likes, in. So those are some of the operators we use with the where clause condition. So we'll be looking at 2 or 3 examples here, or maybe more than that, but let us go over this video. So the first example I have here is return all records where gender is male. So we are making use of a data set here called customer file. So this is the database we'll be using for the where clause condition. So let's take a look at the table we are going to make use of. So select asterisk from customer file. So this is the table we are going to be making use of. You can see that is a column called gender. So the question says we should return all the records where gender is male. So what I need to do is to add where condition where gender equals male in quotes. Male equals where gender equals male. So our record, you can see that we have 11 records. Our total record was 20. So extracting just the male record, we left to 11 rows. So next example we have here is should return the first name, last name, gender, balance, where balance is greater than 1000. I have explained that we have two ways to make use of the select. So based on the question, we are making use of that for the first select, which I have explained earlier on. Selecting the columns. Select first column there, we have to get the first name. To get the last name, we have to get the gender, we have to get the balance, where balance, where balance is greater than 1000. So let's see. Unknown column first name. Okay, commit from customer table. Where balance greater than. So we have 17 rows. 17 rows return.